Today we check out Taipei. Hello and welcome back to the Traveling Kunst YouTube channel. I'm your host Ferdinand and I am here in the Linsen Park in Taipei. I'm really excited because today I'm going to do my first video about Taipei City, the capital of Taiwan. I've been to the city a couple of times, but I never had time to shoot any videos. Also today, my time is really limited. However, I want to start a little series about Taipei and kick things off today by showing you one or two of my most favorite sites in the city. So let's go. While we are walking to our first destination, I have to warn you, don't expect your typical tour guide experience in my videos. I will definitely be showcasing some of the more famous spots for sure, but I also want to take you on a journey through some of the more hidden gems I've discovered during my time here in Taiwan. Since February 2023, I've called this incredible country home. This place has inspired me to kickstart this travel video blog. But before we dive into the adventure, how did I get here actually? Taipei isn't too hard to locate. It's massive. Together, Taipei and New Taipei City are the home of over 7 million residents. From my home Kinmen Island, it just takes a bit more than an hour to reach this mega city. But now, let us start exploring the city and go to one of my favorite places in Taipei. Now, of course, if you are in Taipei, you have to check out the markets. The first market I'm going to check out right now is the Taipei Vegetable and Fruit Market, so let's go. I am here to do my groceries and will also get some lunch later on. But even if you're not coming to shop, it is worth checking this place out. You can find the link in the description below. Just look at all these fruits. Taiwan is a paradise for foodies, and the people here take their food very seriously. I can tell you that. And I confess I also love these moisturizers. They are getting more and more common in Taiwan at outdoor places and help tackling the heat because yes, it is really hot. I'm not sure if you can understand me, but I don't think it makes sense to use the selfie stick over here. It is simply too busy, so let's keep going. It is pomelo season at the moment, and they are really cheap and taste awesome. And in a few days during the Mid-Autumn Festival, many Taiwanese will use them to make funny hats. But you can find any kind of fruit and vegetable here, and many merchants try to get your attention. Here's a little sound sample. Now, I am done with shopping, so it is time to go next door and get the lunch I mentioned before. After all, that is the main reason why I'm here, so let us switch gears and fast forward. Now the great thing is here, there's not only fruit and vegetables, you can also go to the fish market right next door, and that's where I'm going to go now to get you some more impressions of a typical Taiwanese market. There are countless places to explore in this city, but this fish market is just awesome. You can find many kinds of seafood here, and of course many people come here to shop. However, the best part is the restaurant that you have here. For 150 Taiwanese dollar, you get a large box like this, which is less than 5 euros. And you get really delicious, fresh seafood for that price. Considering the quality and the freshness, it is an absolute steal. I just bought some food at a fish market. This place is really amazing. The prices are super cheap. They have German beer, Bavarian beer, Weiss beer and Helles. So I'm going to dig in and I really recommend that you check this place out if you're in Taiwan. Yeah, Bavarian Weiss beer is always good. And after that, it is time to move on. Now, of course, if you are in Taipei, you have to go to one of the many temples. And because this is a busy business city, I went to the Xingtian Temple. A really famous place because this one is dedicated to Lord Guan, the famous deity of business people. So let's check it out. The Xingtian Temple covers more than 7,000 square meters. It is enormous. Since its construction in 1967, many people have come here. Lord Guan is the deity of businessmen, military personnel and policemen. A quick side note, I'm not making too many videos because I cannot film inside. There's people praying over there. I still could take a few pictures from the outside. It is time to move on to our next location. Have a look at these buildings and the buildings in the next scene. You probably can spot the difference. Of course, I have to share some footage of Xinbei, aka New Taipei City. Taipei and New Taipei are located right next to each other and often considered part of the same metropolitan area. New Taipei City is a separate administrative entity that surrounds Taipei. It was established in 2010, as you maybe see in the buildings. They look a lot more modern. Taipei can be super exhausting. It is a busy city. I mean, it's really crazy busy. On the other hand, there is 1,000 million stories to explore in this city. So I think, yeah, on the one hand, you have to be up for a really busy Asian city. On the other hand, there is something for everyone. Like I mentioned before, this is hopefully the first of several Taipei videos, and for today I am slowly wrapping things up. I'm at Songshan Airport because I'm about to hit the plane back to Kinmen. I really hope that you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, I really want to do more videos about this amazing city, so I'm going to return to Taipei soon. Stay tuned and have a good time. Bye!